now this lady is wait, this lady, we observe this lady. Okay, na? This lady back. Right, this lady second person. This lady no spectacle, second spectacle. Right. And now this boy last lady. Right. Right. This boy middle lady. Right. Yes. So this boy already last right. So what I contact for body language exclusive correct. Right. So without other of the CD, how many pictures? Right? Fine. Start it down. Cameraman, ready?
Respected sir and my dear friends, a peaceful afternoon to one and all. Myself, Mr. Sai Venkataraman, I am the team leader, and he is Saroj, Kiran Kumar, Mukesh Maurya Teja, Sharon, Gautami, Silva Talaji, and Supraja. Okay. And now tagline and the team name will be said by Saroj.
Listen, warm welcome to you all. Our team name and other team name and tagline will be written by Mukesh.
Good evening, friends. Our title is Hazard Decisions to Live.
The reason behind the name is going to explain by our team leader Arvind. Mr. Arvind.
There is a reason behind the word hazard. Why we give the name hazard will be, I will tell that. First of all of us must have self-confidence. So I will explain you one practical example why we have to have self-confidence. Long ago there is a person who got depression and he wanted to suicide immediately. I think he wanted to suicide somewhere far from his village. So he traveling in a train. Once in a railway station, he impressed by the cover photo of the Swami Vivekananda on a book cover page of that book, and he impressed by the picture of the Swami Vivekananda. And he get down from the train, and there he purchased the book and he opened that book. He wanted to study the total book, but there is no time for him because the train will go. So he just turned the book into back side, and there he found one quotation said by Swami Vivekananda, that is, every human in the world born to do something. If he found that work and do that work, and he will be the real Indian, said by Swami Vivekananda. And he thought that why I have born, what I have to do. He didn't get any idea. So he wanted to know what is his work in this earth. So he just turned the last page and saw the last page of that book, and there he found another quotation, that is, the people really who is serving for the people are the really living people, then other are the living dead bodies, said by other Swami Vivekananda. Then he realized that, oh, then my work is to serve for all the people in the world. Then he realized that, and he dropped to suicide. Then he came back to his village and he started to serving for his village and his state and finally his country. He is none other than Anna Hazare. And the body which he want to throw as a food for the insects and eagles is now respected by thousands and lakhs and crores of the people all over the world. Thousands and lakhs and crores of the people of the world. So see how he impressed by that word and how he got the self-confidence and overcome that problems. So with self-confidence only he overcome his problem and serving for our nation. So the next example will be explained by Sharon.
Good afternoon, my dear friends. I'm Sharon. We saw a beautiful example now given by our team leader. I'm very happy to be a part of this team. Melbourne is a city in the Australia. One day early in the morning in the hospital, a baby child was born. He is boy. When the nurse brought the baby boy child to his father did not like to carry him because he was born with no limbs. And his mother did not like to feed him also, as our parents love us, how we are also. So they started to learn him. And when he was 8 years old, once he thought to suicide and to kill himself because he was born with no limbs. His mother showed him a photograph of a small girl who is also not having limbs. So he thought that not only he, but there are many people in this world without limbs. So he thought to stand for that people and bring courage in them. Today he was working for many people to bring courage in them and build self-confidence upon them. And he was traveling to 120 countries nearly and giving many inspired speeches. We can see in these photographs, this is his childhood girls. We can see how he was. He can skate. He can also swim. See, we can see here he's operating his own computer, his laptop. Now he married a beautiful lady. They were awarded now with a small baby child. See friends? As he was a disabled person, a beautiful lady married him because he was self-confident and he stood that he can work in his life without limbs. We are the normal person. We are having all the body parts perfectly. But today, many are committing suicide because they are not having self-confidence upon them. We should be inspired by such the people who are disabled also. They are living now greatly. Now he was in a great position. So take him as inspiration. Thank you very much.
Friends, our two members who had said about the life issues of two persons. The main motto was, can anyone guess? Inspire. Self-confidence. Can you guess anyone what we kept the logo as self-confidence? Logo of ours. No. No. Still. Okay, you can't guess, then our friend Kiran will say. Kiran.
Hi friends, our team logo is Tar. Do you know Tar?
Yes.
Nothing but Tar.
Tell me.
Please find in the upsides of the road. So, if you take some amount of the tar, there is no useful. But extract from the petroleum material, we can make a thin wires of the. We can use in the art surgeries. If you know the cost of the wires, 1,000 rupees, and total cost is 1 crore. So friends, we can be able to make 10,000 wires from this quantity of tar, and each wire of cost is 10,000 rupees. So total quantity, this quantity total price is 1 crore rupees. If it remains as a roadside waste, it will remain as a roadside waste. No one can care about it. If we can extract the mineral from it, it is useful to many other. It will give to life to many other people. Like that, we also, if we build our self-confidence, we extract our innate abilities, we can also useful for the market, and we also give life for the many people.
Friends, have you present any message from the first, the one who told about Anna Hazare? Could anyone guess message? Okay. Lovely will say about the message of Anna Hazare.
Hi friends, coming to Anna Hazare, firstly he tried to kill himself. But after seeing the great quotations of written by great Swami Vivekananda, he changed his mindset and kept a goal that to do something for people, and he started to do serve people. confident.
And next message about Nick. The message about Nick will be said by Gautam.
So friends, we learn about two inspiring speeches by Arvind and Shahrukh. Now coming to Link, my topic is he tried his best. So we have to reach our position. So try, be confident in your life. So I think we have all bright futures.
At last we came at the tail of the story, which means end of the story. The conclusion will be said by Subrata.
Good afternoon all. My friends told about two inspirational stories. One is Nick and the other one is Anna Hazare. In case of Anna Hazare, he was inspired by Swami Vivekananda and Nick was inspired by one photo. Like that, we also can be inspired by anything around us. Tell me one thing. Who made us? God. Okay. God made us. If God wants to take our own lives, He gave us a power of button? No. Then why we are taking our own lives?
As we are born. As we are born.
Don't know another.
నిజం చెప్పరా
Does we have a right to take our lives? Does we have a right to take our lives? No. Then why we are taking our own lives? Less knowledge. No, like I said, those who want to commit suicide, they are desperate. They are hopeless. They don't have any hopes. They feel that their life is lost. So they want to commit suicide. If we see, life is full of hurdles. Our life hurts. That is normal. In any individual's life is hurting. But we have to face the situations. We should not run away from them. So what I want to say is, don't give up in your lives.
అరే కొట్టరే
Be confident.
அப்படியா
అందరూ ఒకసారి చేయండి. Everybody. Team work కాదు ఇది.
వచ్చింది సార్
Be confident.
ఆ?
మీరు నలుగురు చేయండి. మీరు క్రియేట్ చేసింది ఏది? సెల్ఫ్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్. Yes, give them a big hands. Right. So, ఎలా ఉంది?
యాక్షన్
అసైన్ చేసిన మెంబర్స్ EMI అసైన్ చేసిన మెంబర్ టాపిక్ పైన కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ రైట్ మనకి ఎక్కువ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఉంది జస్ట్ లిటిల్ బిట్ నాట్ మోర్ రైట్ దట్ యు ఫుల్ వెరీ గుడ్ నెక్స్ట్ గుడ్ కమింగ్ బాడీ hand movements right children right you have to hold your hands just free and see always if a person when you're talking to somebody who is like this which means you don't want to share his any information to you ఎవరైనా మీరు ఇది చెప్తున్నప్పుడు ఇలా ఉంటారంటే ఏదో బైక్ కావాలని మీతో మాట్లాడాలి బట్ he doesn't want to talk with you exactly అని అర్థం అంటే హైడింగ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ disclosing information so ఇలా పెట్టుకుంటే అగ్రెసివ్ ఐ యామ్ ది బాస్ నేను చూడు ఒకవైపు చూడు సో అగ్రెసివ్ అన్నమాట రైట్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఇస్ వెరీ గుడ్ యూస్ ది హ్యాండ్స్ ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్ right eye contact is good and everything is good voice is చాలా సాఫ్ట్ గా ఉంది అంటే సెల్ ఫోన్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ రైట్ అది స్వీట్నెస్ వాయిస్ ఉంటుంది ఎందుకంటే అసలుకి లెస్ టైం తర్వాత నిద్రపోతుంది అందరూ జస్ట్ వాయిస్ రేస్ చేయాలి సార్ అమ్మాయికి అసలుకి పిచ్ కూడా వాయిస్ పిచ్ లైక్ తెలుసా గర్ల్స్ హై పిచ్ వాయిస్ బాయ్స్ లో వాయిస్ చేస్తే రైట్ వాయిస్ స్వీట్నెస్ ఐ వాయిస్ స్వీట్నెస్ మందే రఫ్నెస్ students first of all Mr. Arjun eye contact and body language come Mr. Amulya
Ama
they don't have maintain proper body language they have like this
protect ये कितना मिनट राइट सो अरविंद हिलारे ఉన్నాడా చిట్టిదరు మిగతా వాళ్ళ సో మిగతా వాళ్ళ లోపల మన్మోహన్ సింగ్ లా ప్రెజెంటేషన్ చేస్తున్నారు మన్మోహన్ సింగ్ లా కాకుండా నరేంద్ర మోడీ లా చేయాలి రైట్ ఇలా బాడీ మూవ్మెంట్స్ ఫస్ట్ టైం ఇంకా పడతా సెకండ్ టైం ఫ్రీ సేమ్ ఆర్మ్స్ ఫ్రీ ద సెన్స్ యూజింగ్ రైట్ yes then that's it very good next ఇంకా అసైన్ చేసుకోండి Kiran okay communication బాగుంటుంది ఐ కాంటాక్ట్ మెయింటైన్ చేయగలరు ఐ కాంటాక్ట్ రైట్ మెయింటైన్ ఐ కాంటాక్ట్ మెయింటైన్ చేయగలరు చూడండి అందరికీ నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకా once again very innovative idea what there is some idea some connection చేశారు దాంతో పాటు this was very good I think ఎక్కడ కలెక్ట్ చేశారు నేను కలెక్ట్ చేసి ప్రింట్ అవుట్ తీసుకొని ఇప్పుడు స్పెండ్ some time on this నేను ఈవినింగ్ ఇచ్చే చేస్తున్నాను fantastic ప్రిపరేషన్ ఉంటే కాబట్టి ఈ రోజు వాళ్ళ ప్రెజెంటేషన్ చూస్తే మనకి ఆ ప్రిపరేషన్ లేకపోతే కష్టం ఉంటుంది కోఆర్డినేషన్ కానీ ఎవరు తరగతి చెప్తారు చూసా నువ్వు చెప్పు నేను చెప్పు కాకుండా ఎవరు పాట వాళ్ళు ఇమీడియట్గా వాళ్ళు ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యారు సో దట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ టీమ్ కోఆర్డినేషన్ కూడా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇండివిజువల్ ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వడం చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ టీంలో వెరీ డిఫరెంట్ కోఆర్డినేట్ కాబట్టి టీం లీడర్ ప్రెజెంటేషన్ కూడా స్ట్రాంగ్ ఉంటుంది సేమ్ టైం ప్రెజెంటేషన్ సో మీరు చూసి కాబట్టి యు ఆర్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ yes Caps. ఇక అమ్మాయి తర్వాత వినిపిస్తున్నాడు చూసారా? రైట్ బాగా చేశారు కాబట్టి ఇంకా అంతా అలాగే ఉంది. అందరూ చేశారు. కానీ మనం కూడా చేసి మోటివేట్ చేయాలి అంతే. మళ్ళీ నువ్వు ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేస్తే వాళ్ళు నెక్స్ట్ వెరీ గుడ్ బిగిన్స్. Overall, we had excellent start, fantastic start. Fantastic start.